Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, let us solve question number 31 of NEET physics paper 2017. Students, let us solve the next question number 31. In an electromagnetic wave in free space, the root mean square value of electric field is given by this. The peak value of magnetic field is what? What is given is ERMS, which is 6 volt per meter, and we are required to find B of peak value, and that you have to find in Tesla SI system of units. We know that the formula for B, E and C, the magnetic field, the electric field and the speed of light, they are related to each other. The magnetic field B is given by E by C, E over C. Okay. So if it is RMS given, I write this in RMS. So this means that BRMS is ERMS over C. This is 6 over 3 10 to the power 8, which is 2 10 to the power minus 8 Tesla. So BRMS is this one. Now I am interested in B peak. We're interested in B peak. Is root 2 times BRMS. Okay. So it is root 2 times this value, 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 Tesla. This is, I write 1.4, approximately 1.41, 4 or approximately 1.42 into 2, 10 to the power minus 8 Tesla. This will be 4 and this will be 8 and this will be 2.84, approximately minus 8 Tesla. This is the peak value of magnetic field in free space. Peak value of magnetic field is 2.84 10 to the power minus 8, approximately 2.83 10 to the minus 8. So this is the right answer to this question. Okay, thank you.